Hi everybody, today we're going to take a quick look at scatter plots and correlation with Excel. As a reminder, a scatter plot or scatter graph illustrates the relationship between two sets of quantitative data. To make a scatter plot in Excel, we'll enter the data in two separate columns, then click Insert Chart and select Scatter. Let's take a look at a few examples. Our first example looks at pressure and maximum wind speed. To make my scatter plot, I'm going to highlight my two columns, then I'll hit Insert, and on the charts I'm looking for the one with dots, and I select Scatter. In this graph, we can see that there is a strong negative correlation between the two values. Our second set of data has heights in inches and weight in pounds of 200 people. To make my scatter plot, I'm going to highlight my two columns, then I'll hit Insert, and on the graphs, I'm looking for the dots, and I select Scatter. This time we can see the correlation is not as strong, the dots aren't as close together. We can also see the relationship increases from left to right, so we will call this a weak positive correlation. Our last example has ages of students and their corresponding GPA. Once again, I will highlight the data, click Insert, select my charts, select Scatter. In this graph, I don't see any relationship between the dots, which says that we don't have any correlation between the age and the GPA. As we continue to study statistics, we will find ways to come up with a line of best fit, but for now, we're just looking at the shape of the correlation.